All right, these are my trading notes from the 27th of February 2025, and this is the ES E-mini. And what I did this morning, this is the 5-minute chart for the E-mini S&P, and I waited for the market to open, and that's something that I've really been bad about in the past. Was I'd get in before the market opens, and then I'd spend the rest of the day trying to claw my way back into profit because it just doesn't act the same. So I waited, and here's where I get my trade design. Now I'm using Gabe trades right here, one of his or his system of trading, and it's really nice. I like the. I'll leave a link for it if you want it. But anyway, I really have liked what I see with his methodology, and everything is painted the right colors for you to get in and out. Well, anyway, so here's what my strategy was to sell below this low, but I wanted it to break the low and then have a pullback, and then that's when I was looking to get in on like a bear flag after I saw the trade design that was going to be down. That's what this is right here. So everything was looking very bearish. That got in about, I think, by a tick. Let's see here. Yeah, so here's the low was 977.75, and it came over and hit 77.25, and then went back up. So when it broke that right here, I got in. I had a sell stop order to get in right below this low, and then when I saw it started down that way, when it broke below that little trend line, I went ahead and got in on 2 other contracts. So once I was finally in, I got 5 excuse me, 5 contracts short at this point, and I put my stop up above here. And then as it moved down, what I've noticed is I can usually put my bring my stop down above this candle that got me in. So that was the candle here. So that high was 84. So you're still risking 10 points or whatever like that. So, or no, about 8 points, I guess. And so, but all this is the DMI. This is the MACD. Everything was going to the south. This is the RSI, and I took away those other bands just to keep the one on there. Once it breaks below 50, it's usually in the bearish territory. So everything was looking good for me to stay in. And I took one profit down in here. I took off 3 contracts right about in here. I can't remember exactly. I'll have to go back and check my my orders. But it just dropped like a rock. And so then I was up 2. These were micros, by the way. These are micros, and this is for my own benefit. If you're watching, that's great. But I go back and I watch these videos so I can see what I was thinking at the time. And here, the white line is the VWAP. So we're below the VWAP. It's bearish. The gold line or yellow line is the 20 moving average, I believe, or 21. Let's see. Yeah, 20. And then the 9 is the blue. So the blue, everything is looking, it was just bearish all the way. So that's why I tried to hang in. And then I got out of my other 2 contracts down in here somewhere around, because I figured 50 would be, I think I actually got out at 48. But the thing kept on going, but then it turned around. Here was the 10 o'clock news, and it turned around. And now it's just kind of meandering. This is the 200 moving average right here. This this red line. So, and this is a 2-minute chart on this one. The other one was 5-minute. This is 5-minute, and that is still, like I said, it just bearish all the way for today. And these lines are all already pre-loaded in there, and this guy Gabe has already his strategy is, the way he's made these charts is, if the candles are gray, it's no man's land. You just stay away from it. And then if it's red, that's when you start looking for your trades. Now here it's given the green signal, but I wouldn't get in because it's still not above and it's already 1:30 in the afternoon Eastern time. It's still below the 200 moving average on the 5-minute. So I made my money for the day. I made $325 today, just on those 5 micros. But I could have gotten in again right here. When that broke that low, it turned red. But really, you'd have to wait for the red candle hit. I don't know. It was already past my trading time. So I was done for the day back there before 10 o'clock. And I had a good trading day. I hope you did too. I hope you get something from this. And I'll put an affiliate link in there for Gabe Trades if you want to check them out. It's worth the money for me. It's a monthly service, and he has other services you can get into, but this is good. This works for me. That's all I need. So hope you had a good trading day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.